Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Renault Kadjar. So from any screen, if we go to menu, you've got navigation, multimedia, phone, click on phone. To use the hands-free features, you need to establish a Bluetooth connection. Do you want to do that now? Yes. We go to settings, watch out at the bottom. You'll see there the baseball, spinning baseball. I've picked up somebody's bedroom TV here. It's showing Barry's iPhone 15 Pro now, so I'll click on there. Connecting to Barry's iPhone 15 Pro. Bluetooth pairing request, pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Here we go, Barry's iPhone 15 Pro connection. Please select functions you want to use. I want both of those, the telephone and the audio system, so yes. Accept the connection request from the R-Link system. So satellite navigation's come up, so that's a good sign, it's already done. R-Link connected here, and click OK there. That's it done.